I am going to discuss about Introduction to Pharmacognosy. B Pharma, 4th Sem. Pharmacognosy. Pharmacognosy is derived from two Greek words, pharmakon and gnosis. Pharmakon means drug and gnosis means knowledge. In brief, pharmacognosy means knowledge of drug. It is a study of drug that originated in plant and animal kingdoms. Pharmacognosy may be defined as an important branch of pharmacy which deals with the study of structure, physical, chemical, biochemical and sensory characters of natural drug of plant and animal origin. It also includes a study of their history, distribution, cultivation, collection, identification, preparation, evaluation, preservation, use and commerce. At present, pharmacognosy involves not only the crude drug but also their natural derivatives like digitalis leaves, and it is isolated glucose digoxin, Rauwolfia root, and it is purified alkaloid reserpine, and thyroid gland with its extract hormones thyroxine are all part of the subject matter of pharmacognosy. Pharmacognosy history. History of pharmacognosy is actually the history of medicine that in medicinal plant. Prehistory, the first or beginning of prehistory on use of medicinal plant on herb or animals. The place where how used were not well known. Those information were unwritten for a long time. As a result, the prehistory on herbs was almost lost. However, some information was recorded by orally transmission from generation to generation. History of pharmacognosy. Like 6 written history was divided into the following. First, Western medicine, the Unani, Ayurveda, Orient, Greek history and African system. First is the Western medicine. This is originated in Mesopotamia and Egypt. Mesopotamia is considered as the first origin of human civilization. The Sumerian developed uniform tablet of herbal medicine. Those tablet is preserved in British Museum. In Egypt, information had written on a paper, papyrus papyrus is consisted of 800 prescription maintaining 700 drugs. The first pharmacopoeia named London Pharmacopoeia was published in 1680 and the British Pharmacopoeia was published in 1864. The Unani, the herbal system was developed by Arabian Muslim Avicenna. He was prince and ruler. He was a very brilliant pharmacist and physician who wrote a book. Kitaba al-Sifa means book of healing. The book was written on Arabic language. This is a great contribution of Ibn Sina on medical and pharmaceutical sciences. The Ayurveda. Ayurveda is the most important is pharmaceuticals. Ayurveda is the term of traditional medicine of ancient Indian. The word of Ayur means life and Veda means study of life. The Ayurveda writing were divided into 3 systems. First, Charak Samhita, second, Susra Samhita, and third one is the Ashtanga Samhita. The oldest writing was the Charak Samhita, 6 to 7 century before Christ. The book describes use of many metallic drugs, example iron, mercury, sulfur, copper, etc. The Orient. This is originated from the Chinese, Japanese and Tibet. The Orient herbalism was very old and called Camphor. The written documents were made by the King Sen Nung and Seng. Sen Nung investigated medicinal value of several herbs and written a book Pan Ti Sao or native herbal. Next one is the Greek history. Hippocrates, he was the first natural doctor who utilized simple remedies such as vinegar, honey, herbs, etc. in healing. He is also known to have collected and identified a number of medicinal plants. Aristotle, he gave the philosophy of medicine. He listed more than 500 plants of medicinal importance. Theophrastus gave scientific basis of use of plant as medicine. Then Galen, a Greek pharmacist physician, he developed the method of preparing and compounding medicine by medicinal means. He was the originator of the formula for a cold cream. Then African system, they keep information in their groups or tribes. The information transmitted from one generation to another. This is reason or richest source of medicinal plant and needs to explore for new drug discovery. Scope for pharmacognosy. First is a primary source of medicine from ancient time to present day. For example, hyoscine, morphine, ergotamine, etc. Second, providing template guide for the discovery of new drug. For example, pethidine, analgesic drug designed from the morphine. Pharmacognosy and modern medicine. Simultaneously, advancement in the first field of chemistry, biochemistry, biosynthesis and pharmacologically has developed pharmacognosy. Various active compounds have been isolated from plants which are used in modern medicine. With the advancement of synthetic organic chemistry, most of active constituents of plant have been synthesized. More than 100 plants are used in modern medicine in various parts of the world. The important active constituent of plant used in medicine: morphine, codeine and papaverine. Plant Papaver somniferum. The pharmacologically activity shown sedative, smooth muscle, relaxant. Quinine and quinidine. Cinchona serpentina. Pharmacologically activity show antimalarial and antiarrhythmic. Hyoscine and atropine. Datura. The parasympathomyelitic. Digitoxin, digitalis lentana. Cardiotonic. Reserpine plant Ravolfia. Activity in hypotensive vasodilator. Vincristine and vinblastine. Cantharus roseus. Anti-cancer activity. Caffeine, chameleon sinensis. Activity CNS stimulant. Cocaine, erythrogylum coca anesthetic. Ephedrine, Ephedra plant sympathomimetic. Pilocarpine, Pilocarpus javerundi. Parasympathomatic activity. Xylem mucilage, Plantago ovata. Properties laxative. Cyanocide, Cassia angustifolia. Laxative activity. Theophylline, Kaffir arabica. CNS stimulant diuretic. Steroid hormone, Solanum sulfatinum. Anti-inflammatory and anti-arrhythmic. Application of pharmacognosy. Plant always provide novel molecular structure which played important role for the molecular design and development of novel potent, less toxic or non-toxic drug. Example, natural morphine has got analgesic and narcotic effect, but mifepristone as a synthetic drug originates from morphine basic skeleton in non-narcotic. Plant and animal product give potentially biological effect without any undesirable effect. Plant and animal product can be taken with very easy. Thank you.